What is the place of supply of insurance services? Insurance service is a very good service. The what thing is insurance is two times. One is registered and unregistered. If in case of register, place of supply will be the registered person's address. Good. But in case of unregistered person, the place of supply will be the place of address that he gives in his records. The address which he gives. What is that address? Usually Aadhaar card or PAN card. This is the address he gives to the department stating that I am residing in this place. That's it. That is the important point. No place of business. That is. So section 1213 of IGST Act 2017 provide that determining a place of supply of insurance services can be summarized as nature of receipt and place of supply. When the services by way of insurance services provided to a registered person shall be location of such registered person. Location where he resides, place of supply. Super. And service shall be the services by way of insurance service are provided to unregistered person who is not registered. Then shall be a location of a recipient of service on the record of the supplier of service. Recipient service order record where he gives it record. That's it. So Mr. B, unregistered person of Kolkata, gives a native place as partner and buys a medical insurance for his parents there for a safe insurance. A partner registered in Bihar. Therefore, here is a place of supply is location of the recipient of service on the records of supplier of service. Well, super, na? Super.